Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to place order in Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To place an order in Wix, you need to first create and place an order form on your Wix website. Of course, you can use the Wix Forms tool or the Wix Stores app, depending on whether you want a simple form or a more advanced shopping experience. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the website where do you want to place an order. For example, I'm going to be using this one. Select site or click on edit site. You would be forwarded to the Wix Studio Builder. Now, on the left side panel, which is going to be the best and simple method to create a order form, we can fill out order details and handle payment separately through an invoice later. All right. Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click on the app market. In this case, we're going to search for a form builder, or an order form builder. Say, for example, 1, 2, 3 forms. All right. Or that. So you can collect leads, add payments, and automate flows. All right. Or see orders and payment forms. So let's choose this one instead. It's free plan to use. Just click on the add to site. This is going to be a form builder and payments wherein we can place our order. Just click on agree to add, and then you would be forwarded here. Just wait for it while the Wix builder is configuring your components. And once you've done that, as you can see, you can choose from this section, right? You have all this to edit if you want. Email address, pick your favorite, pick your option. It's basically really easy. If you click on the 3 dots right here, just wait for it to load. There's going to be a settings. If you click that, it would be forwarded on the Form Builder Plus right here. You can expand add the proper elements if you want. All right. Click on next, match your branding. Click on next, show your form on your website. Click on done. Now, let's expand the view for now so we can customize the order form so we can place the order here with ease. Click on the edit mode. This is going to be order. See that? You can change it to something like maybe something that reflects your brand and identity. You can put in some descriptions. Say, for example, this. All right. Now, you see, when you're happy with it, all they're gonna do is click on done. If you wanted to add more elements, you are welcome to do that as well. You can delete the email address, delete the pick your favorite, tell something about yourself. Instead, you can put in something like and add another element here. Say, for example, name. That's for one. First name required. Last name. First and last name, all right? You can put that. Click on done. Going back again to add another element. It's going to be the phone number if you want. All right, click on done. You could also choose some template here if you wanted, say, for example, this. If you wanted to overwrite the form, but we're not going to do that for now. If you're happy with it, all you have to do is click on done. All right, so this is going to be your place order form. So the customers will see that on your web store. Now, after that, After creating the order form, go to the plus icon here to add elements. I want you to click on the store, and we need to add an online store. Everything you need to sell online so we can place an order, all right? Sell products or digital downloads, set up payment methods easily, create coupons and special offers, and of course, place the order. Click on add to site. It would be forwarded here. Just wait for it to load. It's configuring your components. After that, just finishing some final touches, and you would be forwarded to your store. Now, once it's added, all right, you need to choose your starting point here by clicking on the design sections, grid layout, and add an element, because we are going to add an order page, right? For us to be able to do that, you see there's going to be contact and forms. Create a new form, obviously, or since we have the order form, why not use this one in checkout, all right? You see, it will be added here. Just wait for it to load. So this is going to be the order form, all right? It takes a little while. Just wait for it to... Of course, you can edit the form right here. Click that. You would be forwarded to the same dashboard, but this time that's going to be for the order page. Earlier was the order form page. Right, so you can proceed with this. For example, the product. You can put in the first name, last name, and email maybe. You can drag the email here. Maybe if you wanted to add a phone number as well, you can do that as well. You can also choose the payment method that you wanted. Say, for example, single choice, multi-choice, and a checkbox. For the buttons, that's dependent on your preferences, as well as the layout elements. If you click that here, once you're happy with this, all you have to do is click on save, all right? So basically, that's how you add or how you place an order here in Wix. Just wait for it to load. That's going to be the final form. And again, go to the homepage again of your store and click on publish, all right? Now, before you can place an order, you need to choose a domain before you publish. You can get a free Wix Studio domain or connect your own customized domains. Save and continue, and you would be forwarded to another page. All you have to do is put in the domain that you own, because using Wix stores is ideal for businesses that want a full-fledged online store with inventory management, payment processing, and automatic order confirmations. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.